Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use the 3D zoom effect in Capcut. Capcut is a free video editing app that lets you to create amazing videos with ease. So if you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. So let's get started. First, open up the Capcut app. And now here, select on the new project. Select the photos or the video that you want to add the 3D zoom effect. I'll choose these two and tap on add. Now to apply the zoom effect, just tap on the video. Here on the bottom, just tap on style. Just slide all the way to the right and search for the 3D. And here it is. Just tap on it and you're good to go. So tap on apply. Now let me show you how the video was look like before. It was a simple still video, and after applying the effect, let me show you how it looked like. Just beautiful, isn't it? Let's try on this one as well. Just tap on the video, go to the style, slide all the way to the right, and select the 3D zoom. It will take some time to generate the video. And there you have it. You can also try the 3D Zoom Pro. Just great, isn't it? Just tap on apply. And there you go. That's our first video. And that's the second one. You can repeat these steps for any other clips that you want to add this effect to. You can also mix and match different types of transition to make some more creative looks. And once you're happy with your video, it's time to export it. Just select the video resolution and tap on export. And once you're done exporting, you can share it directly from the Capcut to any other social media platform such as Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, and Twitter as well. So that's it. I hope you find this tutorial helpful, and if you do, please let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.